Hi, I'm Sue from the Field Trip Academy, and I know firsthand that middle schoolers can sniff out busy work a mile away. But as a middle school educator, I want to change that. So this activity is pulled right from our membership. It's quick to prep, super hands-on, and something they'll actually want to do. So let's go take a look. Welcome to this at-home activity video where I'll be showing you how to build an anemometer and a weather vane. You will want to bring each of these on your field trip. So first, if you're constructing an anemometer, the materials you will need are a pencil with a new eraser, one straight pin, two plastic straws, four small plastic Dixie cups, tape, black Sharpie, stapler, and a 12-inch ruler. So to construct it, what you want to do is take the two plastic straws and form a cross so that the straws are centered with and at right angles from each other. Tape the straws together and then attach a pencil by sticking a straight pin through the taped straws and into the eraser. Push it down as far as you can go. Wiggle the pin now a little in order to allow the straws to rotate freely around the pin. Then staple a small Dixie cup to the end of each of the four straws. Secure it with tape. And as you do this, be sure all the cups are facing the same direction and that they are in the same plane as one another. This will help ensure that the wind catches all four of the cups at the same time. Now with the black Sharpie, color one of the cups so it'll be easily identifiable when you are counting rotations with the wind. Twirl the cups to see if they rotate smoothly. Now your anemometer is now ready to go for the field trip. Constructing a weather vane. The materials you need for this are a paper plate, marker, pencil with a new eraser, one straight pin, one plastic straw, one manila folder or something of similar thickness, scissors, tape, and one small hunk of modeling clay. But if you don't have clay, I actually just used Play-Doh. Construction. Take a paper plate and using a ruler, draw a line across it with a marker going through the center of the plate. Draw another line at a right angle to the first line that also goes through the center. Mark the four lines, N for north, E for east, S for south, and W for west, in a clockwise direction, and that represents all four compass directions. Print and cut out the two shapes that are located in the PDF. Trace around each of the cutouts on a manila folder or the piece of cardstock. Once you've cut them out, set them aside. Pick up your straw and cut a half-inch slit into one end of the straw and then cut a second half-inch slit on the other end so that the two slits line up with each other. Now you can slide the triangle arrowhead of your weather vane into one of the slits and the tail into the other slit. Secure them with tape. Attach a pencil to the center of the straw by pushing a straight pin through the straw and into the eraser, much like you also did with the anemometer. Wiggle the pin a little again in order to allow the straw to rotate freely around the pin. Now form a small lump of modeling clay or Play-Doh and stick the sharp end of the pencil into the clay, ensuring that it doesn't move. Secure the weather vane to the center of the plate by pushing down on the clay so that it forms a firm base. That's it. Your weather vane is now ready to be used on the field trip. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. For more science your middle schoolers will actually enjoy, without spending hours prepping, check out our free guide, Backyard Science Labs, 5 outdoor activities for teens and tweens. And if you want more field trips, citizen science, and hands-on learning like this, it's all part of the Field Trip Academy membership. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with another educator who needs a win this week. See you next time, and happy field tripping.